everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to landscape a page in Microsoft Word. Need to turn your portrait page into a landscape in Microsoft Word. Whether it's the whole document or just one page, I'll show you both methods quickly. The first step is to change the entire document to landscape. And to do that, just open Word and then go to the Layout tab and click on it. And then click on Orientation. And after that, select landscape from the drop down menu. As you can see, you can either select portrait or landscape. I'm gonna choose landscape. This changes all pages to landscape mode. For the second step, you can change only one page to landscape. And to do that, place your cursor at the start of the page you want in landscape and then go to layout. Right here again, go to layout, place the cursor on the page, then go to layout and then go to breaks and click on next page to insert a new page. And after that, click on orientation and change to landscape or a portrait. And this changes only the page you selected and you put the cursor on. For additional tips, use section breaks carefully to avoid unwanted formatting, changes, and if pages number move, adjust them under header and footer settings. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you landscape a page in Word. Use orientation for all pages or section breaks for one page to customize your documents. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.